Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again with another 6 trades. Today's date is June the 25th and I'm using my Master Scalper trading system. The Master Scalper is this moving average that changes from blue to red. And this system also has the arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. You'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box suggesting either to buy or sell. Now every morning, 6 o'clock, or at least whenever you start the trade, you should be looking at all the different instruments, and of course you should be looking at some kind of a daily trade plan. Now once I figure out I want to be buying and or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's an expert advisor. It actually monitors all the different time frames, monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, does a bunch of calculations, and within the comments here it'll either suggest look for bullish trades, bearish trades. Some are preferred, and of course some are like running flat at the moment. So as my mentor told me many years ago, a lot of traders are not succeeding because they do not even have any kind of a daily trade plan. And after almost 20 years of trading, this is the best trading plan that I came across so far. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, and as you can see, these trades I've taken, most of them were futures, except for this one Forex pair. Keep in mind you can trade anything that your MT4 broker offers you. If you can get it into the market watch, you can trade it using my Master Scalper. And of course, please keep in mind it only works on the MT4 platform. So let's get into these trades. First one, I sold the pound CAD. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal. This is the way the market moves, down and up and down. And when I finally figured out that I had at least 200 or more pips and or ticks, I just close out the trades and I'm done trading for the day. Took the trade at this cursor. As I mentioned, I was happy at this point, locking in 10 pips, and that paid out $80. Okay, let's move on to the next trade I did, gold. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Now gold pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, this should be around 21. So obviously getting in up here would have been a little bit better, but this is where I finally took the trade, or where I saw it. Got in at this cursor, and as I mentioned, down at the bottom down here would have been over 80, but again I was happy with that 21. There it is right there. 21 ticks paying out $211. Okay, moving right along to the next trade, crude oil. Another one that pays $10 for each tick. Drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here we go. Took the trade at this cursor, and pays $10 for each tick, so it should be 33. And there it is right there, 33 ticks paying out $330. And a neat tool I think you should get your hands on is called the Fibonacci Tool. I can show it to you. Click on this tab. You would go from swing low to swing high right there. There's your pullback. If it hits the entries, it usually will make it at least to target 2, 3, 4, 5, and on this day it did hit target 3. reason why this fib tool works is that millions of traders all over the world use Fibonacci. It's just another tool to assist you in trading the markets. Again, if you have any questions regarding this fib tool, just get in contact with me. And of course it does go all the way to target 10, as you can see. Moving right along to Russell, another one that pays $10 for each tick. Here we go. Looking at the money, well, easy to see this should be 46. This one I sold it, so let's drag and drop this up. Another one you probably can throw the fib on there too, same situation. But anyhow, took the trade at this cursor, and the reason I like the fib and I recommend the fib, it actually will force you to wait for the pullbacks. See, that's the pullback right there. But when I took the trade, I knew it could go back up, and that part did not bother me. So when you take the trade, if it bothers you, let's say to go against you like around almost 30 ticks, well, just get the fib tool. And I can show you that fib tool again. You would go from high to low, which is right about here. There's your pullback. It actually hit number 3 entry. And as far as the targets go, it actually went past 5. It actually hit number 6 right here. Works fantastic. Any questions about this FibMaster tool? Just get in contact with me. And there's a lot of information right below this video. It's a full course, over 3 gigabytes, and 30 training videos. Lots of education, and which will teach you how to use Fibonacci. Well, let's run a check on it. Got in at this cursor here. Close it out here. Looks like, and due to the fact it pays $10, this should be 46, and there it is right there. Right on target number 2, actually. So it's 46 ticks, paying out $460. Moving right along to the next trade, the NASDAQ. Let's see now on this NASDAQ. Let's drag and drop this up. I was a little bit slow at pulling the trigger. Obviously getting in around here would have been better. Might even be a fib retracement. But anyhow, this is where I took it. The market did a bit of a pullback and away it went. And in real time, I was thinking that it should hit the ADR here, this solid red line. And it did. So now this NASDAQ that pays $20 for each tick, took the money divided by 20, and it's very close to 40 actually. So, and in real time I just measured to the ADR, and I knew I'd be happy with the, the 40. And there it is right there, 40 ticks. And those 40 ticks paid out $792. Moving right along now to the Dow Jones. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So, let's see now. On this Dow Jones, pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it's 191. So there was one more little pullback up, but that didn't bother me. And let's go and look for that 191. There it is right there, 191 ticks, paying out $955. So another great day of trading using my master scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips or ticks. Grand total came to 341. And all of those pips and ticks, they were mostly ticks, paid out $2,828. So if your system's not producing, like my master scalper, well, I recommend you get your hands on it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions, quite simple. All you got to do is look right below this video. You'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can, as you will see actually below this video, in the description, a banner, the word more, just click on that. And at that point, you'll see my phone number. If you wish, just pick up the phone and call me. And if you live too far, that's okay, just send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. Now I did make a link for Skype connection, but someone informed me that the link is not working at the moment, and Skype is working on it. But there are 3 different ways you can search for me on Skype. I'm in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You can search using my email. You can search by my Skype name, which is Forex, F-O-R-E-X _ Nelson, or just search by my name. So it's easy to find me on Skype, and through Skype we'll have a connection, and at that point I'll be able to answer your questions. So it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.